What a crazy random happenstance. It is raining today, guys. That's great, isn't it? Milo. Kitty. Go get the froggy. Go get the froggy. Kitty. Milo. Hey. You are not a cat. You do not deserve to be in the cat species. The feline species, rather. Go get the toad. Get the toad. Get it. No. No, that's a pile of dirt. That is a pile of dirt. You don't want that. Get the, yeah, there it is. Get it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Oh no, it's hopping. Attack it. Don't eat it. Oh. Run away. Well, kids, can't go today, can't go walking and stuff because it is raining outside. And another thing, yesterday when we ran into some friends, we kind of knew that we'd probably run into Jordan, and we didn't tell our parents because we didn't know if it was a for sure thing or not. Well, I didn't. Sarah apparently knew it was for sure, but she didn't tell her mom. And I'm not in trouble because my mom's really awesome, but her mom kind of got really mad. She's just now figuring that out a few minutes ago. Sarah told me, she's like, Mom won't even let me leave the house. I can't even come to your house. And I'm like, oh, that's lovely. So she can't come to my house. We can't go running. I don't know how long that's gonna last. But day 2 hasn't went according to plan today. I did 30 sit-ups and 15 leg exercises for both the outer and inner thighs so far. I don't know what else I'm going to do. I'm going to try to do something because I'll feel bad if I don't, because it's supposed to be, you know, yay, lose an Olsen twin. Also, I think is really interesting. I have a, well, I don't really know if it's a follower or not yet, but gain an Olsen twin. I think that's awesome too, because that kind of goes both ways, you know, people losing weight, and then after that, you know, people might want to take part in, hey, let's gain a few pounds and muscle, and I think that's cool. I thought that was awesome, and it's kind of cool to me that the gain Olsen twin person is from England, I think, and that kind of shows me that, hey, not only the U.S. watches Phil's show and likes his idea, so, you know, he's got the whole world in on this stuff, and I think that's really cool. But I figured I'd go ahead and do a video, let you guys know what was going on, because I didn't want to go a day without making a video and people say, oh, she quit, because I'm not stopping. Tomorrow, if it's sunny, I'll probably have to go by myself, but I will be going if I can, going running. But it's supposed to be thunderstorming for a few days, and that's horrible. Happened right when I started my stuff, and you know, I even got dressed today and was gonna go, and she told me right last minute we were going, but I'm making food, which probably isn't very healthy, but I'm making the food that I have to eat, and yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. So bye. Ah, evil kitty, kitty.